Hi there, it's Les Sulgrove, statewide housing analyst for the Iowa Association of Realtors. September real estate numbers have come out for the state, and we're going to take a quick look at those in this edition of the show. So let's take a quick peek at what's happening with home for sale inventory in the marketplace. You can see that overall we're continuing to increase our inventory levels. We did push through 10,000 listings for sale in the residential market. This includes both single family homes as well as condo townhomes. And it's over 2,300 more homes on the market this September than had a year ago at this time. So that's a good sign for the market moving into the end of the year, and then hopefully that'll also build some more sales as we move into the early 2025 and spring markets. But to see that inventory start to climb, that's a good sign there. Of course, some of the big news had happened in the month of September was the mortgage interest rates dropped. We dropped from about 6.38% down to 6.08. So it was a decent drop, and some of that activity really helped to spur some additional sales in the month of September. Now, of course, those are going to show up as we move forward here. So let's kind of take a look at what those numbers look like here. This is the number of homes that went under contract in September, and this 3,034 is the number of homes that actually went under contract for the month only. And if you look back, that's 136 more homes that went under contract than this same time a year ago. And typically what we see here is we start to see the sale pendings really trail off quite a bit. Now, they didn't trail off quite as much this last month, and I think a lot of that has to do with that interest rate being down there close to that 6% number. Another thing that has happened with the increase in inventory is we're starting to see home buyers have a little bit more negotiation power. So again, you can kind of look here at 98.2%. This is the list price to sale price percentage. So in other words, home buyers were negotiating down about 1.8% off of list price versus 1.5% a year ago. It doesn't seem like a lot, but when median prices are so high, 0.5% can make quite a big difference in the marketplace. So we're starting to see, um, you know, a little bit more negotiation. In fact, if you look at this set right here from January to September, you can see that the negotiation power was much less last year. So home buyers have been able to kind of chip away a little bit, and some of that has to do with the days on the market. So if you look at that last year number at 46 days on market, and overall the days on market were quite a bit slower. I'm sorry, a little bit faster of last year. They've slowed down quite a bit this year to 57 days on the market versus 46 a year ago. So a lot of this is really affecting the market and giving buyers a little bit more power out there. So I'm going to finish up the show with a couple of additional slides here. This is the closed sales per month. These are the number of homes that actually closed in the state, all properties again, condo townhomes and single family. 3,015 homes went into the closing in the month of September, and again, we are lagging behind last year by about 300, a little over 300 home sales compared to last year. However, if we look at it from this perspective, this shows you that same information, except it shows you on a month by month basis whether we were ahead or behind last year. And you can see March, we kind of slowed down and we didn't close as many homes in the month of March. Some of that was due to the heavy snowfall we had in early January. So it was kind of lagging behind and we kind of slowed down. It also tended then as well to see us peak a little bit higher in April because that February and March business picked up that maybe was lagging from January. But you get into the middle of the year, June, we were well off the month of June, which would have been business from April and May when those homes were in the sale pending process. We were initially behind by over 760 homes closed for that month alone. We came back a little bit in the month of July, but right now we're sitting 358 homes behind the month of September from last year. So total, all that together, all these numbers plus and minus, were 807 homes sales closed behind year to date. So we closed 32,555 sales last year in the statewide market. This is single family again, not including land or auctions and things like that. It's just the single family market here. But I think we have a good chance here with that recent activity in the month of September to kind of pick that back up. So anyway, that's kind of the show this week. I'll be back next month with October numbers. And until then, this is Les Sulgrove, and I'm the statewide housing analyst for the Iowa Association of Realtors.